Today we'll be discussing polynomials, chapter 2 of your NCERT mathematics. Before discussing polynomials, I will first tell you what are algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions are expressions which contains combinations of constants, variables connected with plus, minus, into, division, that is the mathematical operators. Okay, now a few examples of mathematical algebraic expressions are like 5x. Constants are algebraic expressions, or variables, or expressions like this. All are examples of algebraic expressions. Now to cite a few more: x square minus 1 upon x square, or root x plus 1, and so on and on. So all these are algebraic expressions. Now what is the difference between algebraic expressions and polynomials? A polynomial is an algebraic expression. It is a particular type of algebraic expression. What is particular about polynomials? That every term of polynomial can be written in the form a into x to the power n. What does that mean? Where a is a real number, n is the x is the variable, and n is the whole number. Okay, so every term, what is a polynomial? A polynomial is an algebraic expression in which every term can be written in the form a into x to the power n. What is a? Any real number, x is a variable, and n is any whole number. It has to be a whole number. Then if we come back to the examples of algebraic expressions which I have given you, you may see here this algebraic expression x square minus 1 upon x square. What does it actually mean? If we take x square in the numerator, you will have power minus 2. What does that mean? That in this second term, the power is not a whole number. Therefore, this is an algebraic expression, but it is not a polynomial. Understood? So why it is not a polynomial? Because the power of x is not a whole number. Similarly, here in this example, if you see, power of x is root. That means half. So it is not a whole number. Therefore, this expression is also not a polynomial. Understood? Okay, so what are I'll give some examples of polynomial. 5x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1. This is a polynomial. Okay, now I'll explain we'll inspect each term and see why it is a polynomial. See, first term is 5x cube. 5 is the coefficient, which is a is a real number, x has the power, this is a variable, and it has the power 3, which is again a whole number. So this term is a valid polynomial term. Now we come to the second term. Minus 2x square is the second term. Minus 2 is a real number, x is the variable with a whole number power. So this is also a valid polynomial term. Next we come to 1x. X doesn't have any coefficient in front of it, that means there is a 1. So a is a real number, x does not have any power, that means the power of x is 1. So x to the power 1. So 1 is again a whole number. Therefore this term is also a valid polynomial term. Now we come to the last term, minus 1. Minus 1 does not have any variable. So what does that mean? It has the variable x to the power 0. Okay, so every constant can be written as multiplied by x to the power 0. हम हर कांस्टेंट को ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. तो ये भी एक वैलिड पॉलिनोमियल टर्म हो गई, क्योंकि 0 जो है वो होल नंबर होता है. Okay, so all the terms of this expression are valid polynomial terms, therefore it is a polynomial. Okay, in this way you have to check all the expressions given in exercise 2.1 first question. Take out exercise 2.1 first question, all of you. Okay, the first question is first part. You have to tell whether these expressions are polynomials in one variable or not. So the first expression is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So in each term you may see that all the coefficients are real numbers and all the powers of x are whole number. We may rewrite this as okay, 7 into x to the power 0. Therefore it is a polynomial. Okay, so you will write it is a polynomial. Why? Because all the terms are in the form ax to the power n. All the terms have the valid polynomial form. Okay, now we come to the second part. First question, second part, y square plus root 2. Now in this question you will see that the variable has, what is the coefficient of y square? Coefficient of y square is 1, which is a real number. Variable has the power 2, which is again a whole number, plus root 2. Root 2 is a real number. It is a real number and there is no variable, so we may write it with the variable y to the power 0. Okay, y to the power 0. That means it is again a whole number power. Therefore this is a valid polynomial. Okay, then we come to the third part of this. Third part is 3 root t plus t root 2. Now in this, what is the power of t? T has the power half. Root means the power is half, plus t into root 2. Now here you can see it is not a, the power of this is not a whole number. Therefore it is not a polynomial. I hope I have made myself very clear. Now next, fourth part is y plus 2 upon y. Now what does this mean? Y plus 2 into y to the power minus 1. When you take this y in the numerator, you will have y to the power minus 1. Now this minus 1 is not a whole number. Therefore this is not a polynomial. Okay, so this expression is not a polynomial. Okay, now we come to the fifth part of this. Fifth part is x to the power 10 plus y to the power 3 plus t to the power 50. Now see, it is a polynomial but not in one variable. It has got 3 variables. So it is not a polynomial in one variable. It is a polynomial in 3 variables because there are 3 variables in this, x, y and t. Okay, so you will write the solution for this is, it is not a polynomial in one variable. It is a polynomial in 3 variables. It is a polynomial in 3 variables. Okay, now see, we have done what are coefficients in algebraic expression. When you are doing algebraic expression, you have done what are coefficients. I'll just revise for you what are coefficients. Coefficients are the numerical parts multiplied, the numeric values multiplied by the variables. Okay, for example, if you are given the algebraic expression, suppose 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Okay, now in this you may see that 5 is multiplied by x cube, 4 is multiplied by x square, 7 is multiplied by x. So the number which is multiplied by that particular variable power is known as the coefficient. So 5 is the coefficient of x cube, coefficient of x cube. 4 is the coefficient of x square, and 7 is the coefficient of x. Okay, so in the first term, this is the first term, 5x cube is the first term. In this term, this is the first term. First term, 5 is the coefficient of x cube. In the second term, 4 is the coefficient of x square. In the third term, 7 is the coefficient of x. So in this way you have to tell, in question number 2, you have to tell the coefficient of x square in each of the following. So the first question, coefficient of x square is 1. Second question, first part, 2 plus x square plus x. Now there is no number written in front of x square, that means there is a 1. ओके, इसका मतलब क्या है कि इसके साथ क्या मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. Since the coefficient of x square is 1, so because there was nothing, so we have written a 1 here. So the coefficient of x square is 1. Okay, now in the second part there is nothing written, but there is a minus sign. So we'll write minus 1x square plus x cube. So what is the coefficient here? The coefficient of x square is minus 1. Now in the third part, pi upon 2 has been multiplied by x square. Therefore the coefficient of x square is what? Pi upon 2. Now in the fourth part, you may see that there is no x square term. So we will rewrite the given expression like this. Plus x square. X square, how can you add when there is no x square? So what we will do is we have to neutralize this. We have to remove this. So what we do, we multiply this x square by 0. So 0 into x square will be again 0. So what is the coefficient of x square here? 0. I hope all have understood. Just to create a term of x square, what we have done, we have written x square, but to remove this x square we have put a 0 also. So 0 into anything will be 0. So it is actually the same expression written in a different form. एक्सप्रेशन तो वही है, लेकिन हमने इसको दूसरी फॉर्म में लिख दिया है, जिसमें कि x स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट क्या है? 0.